Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0365 indicates a CMP sensor B circuit no signal issue for the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This error signals that there is a problem detected in the camshaft position CMP sensor B circuit, which is crucial for engine management and performance. The CMP sensors play a vital role in monitoring the position of the camshaft, which is essential for synchronizing the timing of the engine's valves and intake systems. In the event of a failure, the engine may encounter issues such as misfiring or reduced performance. The CMP sensor B is located near the camshaft in the engine bay, typically attached to the cylinder head. Before troubleshooting, it is necessary to document the freeze data and any relevant onboard snapshots that could point towards the root cause of the issue. The final troubleshooting step for the DTC P0365 involves conducting yet another continuity check on the TDC line. With both the CMP sensor B connector and the PCM connector B disconnected, you will measure continuity between the designated test points carefully. Utilize standard practices to confirm that the connections within the wiring are intact. If continuity exists, this indicates that the TDC wire is functional. At this point, if the PCM software is not updated, updating this may rectify the issue. Alternatively, substituting a known good PCM can help ascertain whether the original PCM was at fault. If continuity is not found, a repair must be made on the identified open wire to ensure that the connection is restored. After all necessary repairs have been carried out, verifying the integrity of the work done is crucial. Begin by turning the ignition to the lock position, following which all connectors must be reconnected, ensuring no loose ends are present. Exit the SCS mode utilizing the HDS to return to standard diagnostic mode. Turn the ignition back to the on position and reset the PCM to allow it to recalibrate based on the new configurations. Executing the idle learn procedure is essential to ensure that the engine functions well under various conditions. After performing these steps, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS again. If DTC P0365 appears, then further investigation into the wiring and connections may be required. If not, the problem is resolved. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid issues like DTC P0365 in the future. Regularly inspecting and checking the connections for the CMP sensor B and the PCM can help to prevent signal loss due to corrosion or damage. Additionally, keeping the PCM software up to date ensures that your vehicle's systems are operating with the latest improvements and fixes from the manufacturer. Covering the CMP sensor's wiring with protective sheathing can also eliminate problems related to wear and tear or physical damage from environmental factors. These maintenance practices not only enhance the longevity of the components, but also improve overall vehicle reliability and performance. Thorough understanding and handling of DTC P0365 are critical for maintaining the performance of the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. We identified key causes, including poor connections, open circuits, and shorted wires that can lead to this DTC. A series of effective troubleshooting steps, from verifying the problem with the HDS to inspecting and repairing connections, can resolve the issues efficiently. Importantly, preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in mitigating these problems before they escalate, ensuring vehicle reliability over time. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your knowledge of vehicle diagnostics and ultimately enhance your driving experience with a well-maintained car. The DTC P0365 indicates a failure in the CMP sensor B circuit, which is essential for the engine control module ECM to properly synchronize engine functions. This sensor provides critical data about the camshaft's position to the engine control module, allowing for appropriate adjustments to fuel injection and ignition timing. A malfunction in this area can lead to poor engine performance, impacting acceleration and efficiency. Located in the engine bay near the camshaft, the CMP sensor B is connected to the vehicle's wiring harness responsible for sending information to the powertrain control module, PCM. It is imperative to understand the role of these components, as any disruption in this signal can lead directly to the DTC being triggered. The potential causes for the DTC P0365 can stem from several electrical issues. Firstly, poor connections at the CMP sensor B or the powertrain control module can interrupt the signal that the PCM requires, which can lead to this DTC being triggered. Secondly, an open circuit in the wiring that connects the CMP sensor B to the PCM may also be at fault, which can occur due to frayed or disconnected wires. Thirdly, a shorted wire can create unintended paths for current, leading to erratic sensor performance. It is crucial to address each of these potential causes methodically to ensure that the underlying issue is resolved effectively and to prevent future occurrences. When the DTC P0365 is triggered, several symptoms can manifest that indicate a problem within the engine's timing management system. One common symptom includes engine misfire, which occurs because the engine is unable to properly time fuel injections due to an invalid signal from the CMP sensor B. Another symptom is poor acceleration. This happens as the engine struggles to respond to throttle input efficiently. Additionally, the check engine light will typically illuminate, providing a visible warning to the driver that a problem exists within the engine management system. Identifying these symptoms early can be pivotal in taking corrective actions before more severe engine problems develop, potentially leading to costly repairs. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0365 involves verifying the problem and checking the system with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position. This is crucial as it powers the vehicle's electrical systems. Next, use the HDS to clear any existing DTCs. Clearing the DTC allows for a fresh assessment when the engine is restarted. After clearing the codes, start the engine to observe whether the P0365 reappears. If this DTC is indicated again, this means a failure has indeed duplicated. Conversely, if the DTC does not appear, it may indicate an intermittent issue that requires further inspection of connections and terminals at CMP sensor B and the PCM. In this step, we focus on verifying the integrity of the wiring associated with the CMP sensor B circuit. Begin by turning the ignition to the lock position to ensure safety. Following this, disconnect the CMP sensor B's 3P connector, which separates it from the vehicle's electrical system. Once disconnected, turn the ignition back to the on position. With the ignition in the on state, measure the voltage between specified test points within the CMP sensor B connector and ground. The goal here is to check for battery voltage, which helps confirm whether the IGP, TDC, and other associated lines are intact. If battery voltage is present, it indicates that the wire and connections are functioning as they should, allowing you to move on to the next step. Continuing the troubleshooting process, this step involves measuring the voltage from the TDC line to confirm its functionality. With the CMP sensor B connector still disconnected, you will need to measure the voltage between two specific test points. This test should be conducted under same conditions in which the ignition is on, with the CMP sensor B disconnected. Checking for a voltage level of approximately 5.0 volts is essential to identify whether the TDC line is functioning properly. If this voltage is detected, it suggests that the TDC line is intact, allowing you to proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if the expected voltage is not found, it indicates a possible fault that requires further assessment. This step focuses on further evaluating the CMP sensor B circuit, specifically concerning the LG line. As before, you will measure the voltage between certain test points with the CMP sensor B connector also disconnected. Ensure that the ignition is still in the on position during this procedure. The expected outcome is to identify battery voltage present at the specified test points. If it is confirmed that the LG wire is functional, the next logical step is to replace CMP sensor B itself, as it is likely the source of the signal issue. Following the replacement, a verification process must be implemented to ensure that the repair has resolved the initial DTC P0365. In this troubleshooting step, the objective is to verify whether there is a short in the TDC line. Start by turning off the ignition and utilizing the HDS to jump the SCS line. This action prepares the system for further testing without interference. After jumping, disconnect the PCM connector B to isolate the system. Once this is complete, check for continuity between designated test points. This involves ensuring there is no unintentional conductivity between these points that may indicate a short circuit. If continuity is found, it suggests that somewhere along the wire, a short exists between the PCM and the CMP sensor B. This necessitates a repair to rectify the circuit and restore proper functionality. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.